Got about, shoot, that's about 50 birds right there. Not bad. Thank you guys for stopping by. And observe your behavior patterns. See if I can learn anything that will help in my Kung Fu journey. I noticed one thing. Small birds like this, I've seen them attack larger birds, like birds of prey, like hawks. These things are so small, they can just circle the hawk, man. The hawk from a distance has got a lot of power if it comes from far away and gains speed and you're unaware that it's there. But when these little birds see them enter their nest territory, they react fiercely, man. They just come and they just circle in and they keep just pesting the bird till it flies away. I mean, so far I haven't seen if like hawks or eagles snatch up these little birds from afar. I'm not sure, but I know that's relevant to the harrier or the sparrow. The harrier versus the sparrow. Ooh. Something just happened. What happened? What spooked him? That sucks. Oh, I guess that's all I'm gonna get for now.